My favorite time to video the cockatiel's inside cage, or even their outside one, is after I clean, because it looks so pretty. Alright, we have Goldie and Doofus down there, along with Ember. And then Nova. Hi, Nova. Chewing on the... Oh, somebody pooped on your back. Then we have Cisco and Sunflower in the bird bath. I think they approve too. Now Sunflower's on my phone, so you see her tail. Come on, honey. That's Mozart. He's the oldest bird in the flock. And then we have Dewdrop is up top, Ember's on the bottom, and Sparrowhawk is the white-faced male that's down there. Then we have Baby is the... Oh no, that's Nova. We have Dapple, who's the gray female. Nova's the white male. That little gray lady is Lady Gray. That is a rescued parakeet that came from a rescue. On me is Baby and Sunflower, you can't see, and then that's Gilligan. So yes, everything's nice and clean, everybody's happy. Try not to step on any birds. There we go, now you see Baby. She's a white-faced curly pied.